scenes. From Hollywood's charm to downtown's beat, to Santa Monica's ocean breeze. Walking around